Jumaa ya kiumia kihituku niguo ruhonge rwa guthurima ukinyaniria wa indo KEBS marekereirie riboti igie mithemba itiganite ya maguta gukorwo mari thoko-ini no matikinyaniirie ikiro kuhuthika nigukorwo na iron nyingi gukira githimi. Na mothe KEBS hamwe na Ministry ya Wonjoria na Iganda nimageire na giikaro na athondeki ya maguta maya, na thutha wa mucemanio uyu athondeki ya maguta mauma no matinaria na andiki ya mohoro o tiga tukuga hari maundu maria maiguithaniirie ona gutuika mothio mao matiuma makenu.
Yes, sir.
Kambuni inya iria ni bidco, Pwani, Kapa na Menegai nicio ihutĩtio na gĩcunjĩ kĩa maguta mao kuonekana matikinyaniirie ikiro na mari matuka-ini, ona gutuika ti maguta mao mothe mari na thina o tiga tu maria magwetetwo maria mangi mari matuka-ini a Kenya matikagie hahu kumahuthira.
Each batch is tested at its processing time. Just because this batch of water had an issue doesn't mean the next or the one before had an issue. And that's why we're saying this is not a ban.
We were calling the manufacturers so that we can emphasize to them that we do not expect any of these products with these batches to be in our shelves. That is what we have communicated very firmly to the manufacturers.
Maguta mithemba 10 nimo merikanite gukorwo meheretio matuka-ini ni kwaga gukinyaniria ikiro. Maguta ma kambuni ya bidco Fahari Fry batch number 1.72921, Olive Gold batch number 1.55988, kambuni ya Pwani Fresh Fry batch number FF 1L17887D, Fresh Fry with garlic oil batch number FF 5.175 Fry Mate batch number 8991D, Salit batch number SS 1L175D, kambuni ya Kapa Postman batch number 02132B, Rina batch number 03452B, Tili batch number 15222A, kambuni ya Menegai Top Fry batch number OL4A3.
If you have a phone,
KEBS yugite gukinyeria riu matingimenya muigana wa maguta mari marekereirio thoko-ini kwendio maya magwetete matakinyaniirie ikiro, no ni megukorwo magicokaniriria riboti ciothe ikumahotithia kwambika cira na guthitanga kambuni cinya ni gukiruka mawatho ma ukinyaniru wa maguta.
After recall, we are going to proceed in taking action against these manufacturers who may have distributed these products to the market.
KEBS ni mahinyereirie kambuni cinya gutigirira ni meherie maguta maria mothe matakinyaniirie ikiro matuka-ini mothe. KEBS maugite ni uigiririku wa kambuni ici gutigirira indo iria marathondeka kuhuthika ni muingi ni ikinyaniirie ikiro iria njitikiriku kiwatho. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.